What do you think?
This is the background?
No, this is the background.
So boring.
What do you mean it's boring? Grey is something that I like to shoot a lot because there are different tones and darkness of grey that you can do. How do you do this? Simple. I'm shooting at the highest thing possible, or 1/200 of a second. I just bring this down to 100. That will make the background brighter by one stop. So let me show you what you get with this grey now. So remember this rule, that the shutter speed controls the background, and then I'm going to bring this down even further, 1/50th, the lowest I would go, shooting Gina. Okay. Good. Okay, you look somewhere here enough, huh? Don't stare to the light, huh? Okay, tip it down a little bit. All right, that's good. Okay, give me a more pushing pose. Right, that's good. Dimple smile and 1, 2. Okay, I know. White wall, black wall, and grey walls are all boring walls. So I'm going to turn this flash on to a power of 1/8 and then fit this here. Right? And make sure that the zoom that you have is pretty narrow. This is a 28mm zoom, and that will not work. That will be just too wide. I'm going to bring this down to 85 or 100. Okay, and then what we do is we flush this to the wall and turn this here. So Gina, can you stand at the front? I want to see where we can create this light streak. And light streaks works the best when it's tilted a lot. Okay, nice. 1, 2, and oh, idiot! I didn't set the trigger. 1, 2, and Gina, what do you mean it's still boring? Well, then remove that light and place it directly behind your model, blocked and obscured by your model so you can't see it. And then put this about 1 or 2 meters away from the wall. That would be the best location to put this. And then what you do is that adjust the powder light accordingly, but bring down the zoom to about 80 or 85mm and 50mm. And then get a spot of light like this. Whoa! Okay, that didn't work out. Alright, that's because the background is too strong. Bring it down to 1/32. Use the slightly less cheap one. And let me show you what you get when you go at f1.4. Right, and then bring down the ISO to stop. Okay, and 1, 2, go. If you want to learn more about streak of lights and also accent light, watch this video that we posted 2 years back. And this is one of the most exciting ways to spice up your background. If you have a plain wall, same concept like what you did with the black wall, make sure that your background is dark. To do this, increase your f value to anything that's above f11 and bring up your shutter speed as well and bring down your ISO. So in summary, lower ISO gives you a darker camera, higher f value gives you a darker camera, and at the same time, a higher shutter speed will darken the background even more, which means that you need to come to the flash at the front and increase the power When you do so, the background is gonna look black like this, and then what you do is aim a gelled light to the wall. But this time, drag in a gobo. This is a piece of mounting cut that you cut with designs that you like. I find that cutting squares and triangles are the easiest one. Change your designs and patterns and you're going to be rewarded with amazing shot. In fact, watch this episode on how we can use gobo to get beautiful background. So you can use one color on one side, and then you can use another color on the left hand side, and when you put them together, you're going to make the background more interesting. There is so much more to using the gobo. If you subscribe to All Access and the e-learning of Advanced Flash, watch how the distance of the light will affect the fall off of the shadow and the edge of the shadow. You need to watch that to learn further. Okay. Rotate the light to me a little bit. Okay, one more time. Alright, 1, 2, and go. Done. Okay, now we switch the other side of this on that. Okay. Yeah, that's good, that's good. You can look down on the floor and smile. 1, 2, and see that's ugly gobo shadow there. Alright, and 1, 2. Okay, got it. Now 2, both sides. 1, 2, strike.
This is my Instagram.
And this is my website.
Please follow.
And please subscribe to my e-learning courses. Check out the e-learning, the premium courses, and better still, the all access, and make photography, videography something that's fulfilling, knowledgeable, and fun for you. Peace out. See you soon. Chin up a little bit. That's good. 1, 2, and... Okay. What are you eating? Mooncakes. And I got coffee. Show you something. It didn't work.